True. Zero.
Review
of long vowels.
Alright, tell me again, what are the vowels?
The vowels A.
What's the sound of the A? Hey.
A.
What else?
E for A. I for E.
What else?
O for A. And U for O.
Very good. Alright, what are we gonna learn from this book?
Be bold, chase, find, finds, go, green, heroes, high, home, Katie needs, rescue,
Races.
rescue, Ryder, Skye, speedy, super, team, bad, time, true, uses, Zuma. You will review these one. See at
Cool.
Go, seek, turn. These new sight words above, drop, get, and not war. Your discovery, PAW Patrol words, chase, kite,
Hey.
Katie, PAW Patrol,
Paw.
rescue, Ryder, Skye, Zuma, PAW Patrol.
I know, you read it in reverse. You're bizarro.
Ryder gets a call. Katie needs a rescue. She is in a Greek boat. The PAW Patrol needs to find her.
What happened to Katie?
Zuma races at super speed. Skye and Chase fly high above. They need to be super speedy too. Skye finds Katie.
She
Is just in time. They need to get her out of the green boat.
What happened to my...
Because the boat is sinking.
Oh, Skye finds Katie. They are just in time. They need to help her get out of the green boat. What is Katie doing in the green boat?
He wanted to go swimming, but the boat was sinking, so she couldn't.
Oh, okay.
Chase needs to use his net. He drops the net from high above. Katie can't get them in the net.
Right.
The PAW Patrol works together. Zuma must be Katie's back. Now she is safe.
Hooray!
What are these?
That's Katie's mom and dad.
Katie can go home. The PAW Patrol is super happy. They are two heroes. I don't think he's going to swim. I think she